Hello friend, today we will see how can we make this image gallery by using HTML and CSS, which is look very impressive and I was created it just in a 30 minute. And you can also create this by your own because it is very easy tutorial. So if you like this tutorial then subscribe my channel and comment below. Let's begin. First I will give this document name which is gallery.html. Then I will create basic snippet of HTML which is like this and apply and add a style tag in header. In body tag I will create a field set which is the border for all content. Here I use legend tag which is used with field set. In this tag which text will write in that is aligned with the border. After some time later I will show its result. How can this tag work? Here is our result which is look like this and all content will be added in this field set. First we will add one image tag here. Then we will create all boxes structure by using div tag. Image, then I will add source and alternate. We will use class selector and give it name box1. Then I will copy this structure for all boxes and simply we will change the class name like box1, box2, box3 and in this div we will add image tag. Image tag contain source and alt. If for some reason source is not working then alt show that image name. After creating this structure we will copy for the all boxes and in this gallery we have a 6 box, so we will copy this structure 6 times for all boxes and change this class name as a box1, box2, box3. Simple. We did not need this 7th structure, so let's remove it. For making it readable syntax we will add some spaces here. After field set tag we add one instruction by using paragraph tag and class name instruction. In this paragraph we will add click on image to see full image. I like to say these all arts are made by me, so I will add one another paragraph tag which will contain my name. Here I was added all HTML tag which is needed for this project and you can see the result. It is look very easy because HTML gives us only a structure but CSS will do man work. So let's start writing the CSS. Writing CSS we use style tag in header section. I selected body tag and give it some property for affecting all the body content. Margin property will give space around the box and pairing top will push box in bottom. Box sizing will be border box and background image property will give linear gradient in our background. For making linear gradient we will combine two color code at 120 degree. Now let's see the result. It's look very impressive but I was not like this gradient, so I can change this color code for other gradient. Now it's perfect. Let's see the result. It's look very good. Let's add CSS on field set tag for making white border box. Here I am using element selector because field set is a one tag in this page, so we doesn't need to use other selector. Border to pixel solid and add color code. It will change the border color and make it bold. like this. Now it's a perfect border, and it will change our breadth automatically when we add boxes in it. Let's add padding top and padding right for 30 pixel and padding bottom 30 pixel. It will align content in this fill set by making some gap like this, but spelling of legend tag is not right. Let's check and fix it. Now it's good. Here I will change the font size and color of legend tag. It will look like this, but black color not suiting on this page, so we can change the color of legend tag. Make it hashtag FFF and it will keep the white color. Here we will make all boxes which will contain images. For making box we will use width, aspect ratio and background color. Width will be 200 pixel, aspect ratio is 1 by 1. It will make box as a square. Background color will be white. It's give these result. We need to add some margin for making differentiation in these boxes. Now it's a perfect box. Let's add some more attribute for making this box more attractive. For adding image on this box, we need to use position property and it will be relative with Z index. Z index is used to align layer by our perspective. For making allso box, we will apply CSS on two boxes separately. Here I was adding margin top minus 226 pixel and margin left will be 250 pixel. Let's see. Now it's look perfect. At this point our all framework is completed. We need to just add pictures here. For adding picture in HTML, we will go in our gallery and select that picture, copy that path and paste here. You can see our main picture is here. We need to add CSS property for aligning perfectly. By using class selector, we will target image.picture and set the width 800 pixel. Margin left will be 60 pixel and border radius is 20. Position will be absolute for making relation between div, box and this picture. And add Z index -1 for sending behind the boxes. Now we are so close to completing this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then comment below. Subscribe for HTML and CSS tutorial for gain knowledge about web development. Let's add this class selector in all image tag for adding CSS in all images. That will be aligned in the div boxes. Let's give image width 190 pixel and border radius will be 20 pixel. And position will be relative to the main div box. Give z-index value 2 because it will be first layer of this page. Let's add picture for this CSS property. As I added few minutes ago, just go in a gallery and select that picture, copy their path and paste here. Like this, you can see the image is over the box. Box and image border radius is too much, so I was decrease the radius of box and image. Now it's perfect. Let's add another images. After doing lots of hard work, we will achieve this type of image gallery which is looks so impressive, and it is easily made by HTML and CSS. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe.